So we are at this downspout drain that we installed. We're running all the downspouts inside the property. Everything's routed right through here. Routing all the downspouts in there. Here, there used to be a lot of water. A lot of water used to sit in here. So we installed an area for water to go down through. This area used to flood with water. See how we're running the downspouts? Everything's flowing freely. Everything's going through. Hold on. Now we're checking out here. We got a lot of debris in here. There we go. Clean them up. Everything goes out at the pop-up out here. We got a D box. Look at the water flowing out at this pop-up. Everything naturally flows down. Look at all that water coming down. I'm going to advise them the other side of the roof. We're going to have to clean it. We're going to get a hurricane tonight. These big storms. Look at the water going through. Everything's going perfectly fine. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I said we got D boxes where all the roof shingle, gravel, and debris will sit, and water keeps flowing the other way. Everything goes downhill from there. So it comes out here. Look how amazing everything came out. A lot of downspouts we routed away. There's 3 out here, 2 in there, and 2 on the side.